In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to renew your Amazon Prime membership. Begin by launching the Amazon app on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner, and then scroll down and select Account. Scroll down to find and tap on Prime Membership. In the Prime Membership section, you'll find information about Amazon Prime. To renew your membership, tap on the option that directs you to visit Amazon.com or search for Amazon Prime in your browser. Sign in with your Amazon account credentials and look for the option to renew your Amazon Prime, and follow the prompts to complete the renewal process. And that's it, you've successfully renewed your Amazon Prime membership. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.